Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great. Today in this video, from the thumbnail and from the title itself, you all must have come to know that this is a review of the new launch product from Plum. Okay, this Plum has already come up with the new lip balms in 4 different variants, and yes, I have got all the 4 variants for you all, just that to you get all the idea in one video itself. Okay, now before moving ahead with the video, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads, and it is absolutely free. So if you want, you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. Now let's begin with the video. Y'all must have, I'm not sure whether you know or no, Plum has already come up with 4 different types of lip balms. Okay, and they all are naturally flavored lip balms. I'll tell you about each and everything. First, let's talk about the packaging of the box. It came in this kind of Plum box. You all must be aware, this is the Plum box, and over here they have given you skip the toxic, keep beauty real. 1% of the order it goes to the for the planet member. Okay, vegan and cruelty free and empties for good. If you all doesn't know, Plum has empties program. Suppose if you have any empty from Plum, that is of plastic or maybe some other, they do not take glass back, but if you have any other empties, you can call them up, they will get it picked up, and they'll give you some points in your card. So that is, as Plum rewards, you will get some points. So definitely you can check out that as well. So these are the things, like you all can see, it is already given on the box. You all must be aware, Plum is very famous for their Nature Studio Kohl Kajal. I have already done one review of all 3 colored kajals, that is brown, green and black. I have already one video up. I'll link that video up in the I button, as well as I'll link that video in the description box as well, so check that as well. Alright, and if you want to become friends with me, you can definitely follow me on Instagram as well as on the Facebook. The links of the same also will be given in the description box, so don't forget to check that as well, because lot of the things are like I cannot upload on YouTube. For that I head towards Instagram. So if you want to see, you can also head towards Instagram and you can check my account. Alright, now they do not use any kind of bubble wrapping. In fact, they send all the lip balms in this kind of cardboard wrapping. Okay, so they are not using, they are actually trying to avoid using all the plastic and bubble wrapping and all. So it came in this kind of wrapping, that is cardboard wrapping. Alright, also they have sent me a small leaflet kind of. Over here you can see all the stickers are there, plus over here you all can see it is Plum Body Loving. I've already done one review of their body mist also. I'll link that video also up in the I button as well as in the description box, so check that as well. I have reviewed their 2 body mist. I think they have come up with 4, and out of that I have reviewed 2, but lip balms I am going to review all 4. So you all can see over here they have given you Plum Body Loving, love every inch. Okay, and nasty is free, cruelty free and judgment free. That is what is written over here on the leaflet. Okay, and you all can see the stickers as well. Okay, with this they have also given me a small booklet kind of thing where they have mentioned each and everything about Plum, and over here also there are some stickers, so you all can see. Okay, and on the back side also they have written skip toxic, keep beauty real, 1% for the planet member, and vegan and cruelty free and empties for good. That is what written over here. Okay, so this is the leaflets and everything which came with me along with the bill. Alright, now we'll talk about the packaging. The packaging of the lip balm is this kind of, you can see it is this is the Choco Minter Cocoa flavor. I'll just tell you all the flavors in. The flavors in are very interesting: Minter Cocoa, Melon Bubble Yum, then Red Velvet Love and Berry Feast. Okay, I can just show you all the 4 packaging. You all can see these are the packaging for all the lip balms. Okay, I'll just show you one very close by. See, this is Minter Cocoa. It comes in this kind of thingy. You just have to flip it up, and here the box opens. Okay, you just have to open the box. You can see the packaging. Packaging also stole my heart. Of course, the lip balms are very excellent, but packaging also plays an important part. So this is the packaging of Minter Coco. Over here, Enlighten Mint. Okay, they have given you Tintensity. That is how much tint it will give you on your lips. Now when you talk about the Minter Coco, the intensity is 1 point. That is out of 3. That is high, medium and low. For Minter Coco, this one will give you low intensity. Now when we talk about Melon Bubble Yum, it will give you a middle kind of, that is medium tint. This one. Okay, when you talk about Berry Feast, it will give you medium tint. This is Berry Feast. This will give you medium tint. And when you talk about the last, Red Velvet Love, it will give you the highest tint. Okay, so if you are looking out for some lip balm which gives you tint and all, then I will suggest you can go for Red Velvet Love. If you want some middle, in between, then you can go for this Berry Feast or you can go for this Melon Bubble Yum. Okay, this two will give you medium, and Minter Coco will give you the least, that is the low tint intensity. Okay, so this is that. So now I have already shown you the packaging. When you open over here, they have given you some points. I just read the points for you. They have like written, lovingly crafted with nourishing plant oils and waxes, yummy all natural flavors, sun protecting carrot seed oil. That is what this all lip balms include. And what they doesn't include, that is while keeping out beeswax, caramine. This ain't a vegan. That is caramine, a particular product, that is a particular chemical, whatever you call it, is not vegan. So that if it is used in the lip balm, then it is not the vegan lip balm, but in this it is not used. Okay, petroleum, artificial flavors, sweeteners, alcohol and synthetic preservatives. This all things are not included in this lip balm. Okay, when you flip the packaging, over here they have given you each and every detail. It is the same for each and every, only the manufacturing and the expiry will differ. But rest all details are same. You all can see it is written over here 100% vegan. When you open the lip balm, it will be like you can use it for 6 months. Net weight what you get over here is 12 grams. In each pot you get 12 grams. Okay, and temperature can cause natural oils to sweat out the lip balm, so this doesn't impact the product safety and performance. Suppose if you are in some humid atmosphere, you all can see over here some sweating on the lip balm you can see. So that doesn't mean the lip balm is like gone bad or something. It is natural. It is just because of the natural oils which is used in this. So it is just because of that. So you don't have to worry. It is what mentioned on the packaging. So you don't have to worry. As well as they've given you manufactured the cost and all. Okay, now I forgot to tell you the cost. Right now the cost is 295 rupees per lip balm. But when I ordered, they were having an offer. Buy 2 lip balms for 499 flat. Okay, so you can get any 2 lip balms for 499. If you are a lip balm junkie like me, then you can definitely order all 4, because all 4 flavors are yum. They smell yum. I have already smelled them. I have already used them. It is excellent. Okay, so that is what, only one you can say ki this is a pod lip balm. You just have to dip your finger and you have to apply it. That is all. No other drawback. But then in any case, even pod lip balms have their own advantages and disadvantages. So this is a pod lip balm. MRP of one lip balm is 295 rupees. Manufactured is October 2020. Yes, they have just recently launched. I think 3 days before only the product is launched. Okay, so this is October 2020 manufactured, and it will be like you can use it for 22. That is for 2 years. The shelf life is 2 years, but once you open it, then it will be good for 6 months. Okay, and as I told you, this brand is cruelty free, vegan, paraben free. It is PETA approved, and 1% of each and every goes to Planet Animal. Alright, so I think I have covered each and every point, as well as I have covered the packaging also. I love the packaging. In fact, I am in love with the packaging, and each and every, like if you have all 4 also together, see, I'll show you 2. See, these are the 2. Okay, and these are the rest 2. So if you have all 4 also, but then 2 from the sticker itself, you all can come to know this, like which is which lip balm, because on the sticker itself they have given you the name. Like this is Candy Melts. First is Berry Feast. This is Berry Feast. Okay, this is Melon Bubble Yum. It is written Minter Coco, and the last one is Red Velvet Love. Now what I'll do is I just remove my lipstick, because without swatching y'all won't come to know. So I'll just remove my lipstick and I'll come with one by one swatches. So definitely y'all can check out the swatches and y'all can decide by yourself. Yes, I'm back. See, this is the first lip balm, Minter Cocoa. Okay, it is already applied on my lips. Y'all can see Minter Cocoa. And this is the lip balm. I'll just show you. This is what it looks. This is the first lip balm. Now what I'll do is I'll apply the second lip balm. Alright, so this is first one. Yes, now this is the Berry Feast, the second lip balm. This has the medium intensity. Y'all can see. This is what the packaging is. Okay, this is the lip balm. Alright, so now I'll apply the third one. The third one will be Melon Bubble Yum. Yes, now this is the third, that is Melon Bubble Yum. Y'all can see this is the packaging, Melon Bubble Yum. I'll show you the inside also. Y'all can see I've already swatched it, I've already used it, and I'm showing you. Y'all can see the lip swatch. Right? This is the Melon Bubble Yum. Now the last one, this is having the highest pigmentation, that is the intensity, and that is Red Velvet Love. I'll come back. This is the last one, that is Red Velvet Love. You all can see this is the packaging. This is the inside. Okay, it comes with this kind of color. Okay, and this is the lip swatch or whatever you call. This is the application on the lips. Okay, now before reviewing this, like making the video and all, I have just used only one lip balm, that is Minter Cocoa. I had applied in the morning. It was there on my lips for 3 to 4 hours, and after that, once you eat something or once you drink something or like that, you have to reapply, since this is the lip balm. This is not lip tint or maybe lipstick or maybe something like that. This is not that. This is lip balm. But it keeps your lips moisturized for minimum 3 to 4 hours. Without any application, I could easily feel the moisturization on my lips. Okay, so that is only I have applied the Minter Cocoa. Rest all 3 flavors I just applied in front of you. But definitely I do feel that lip balms, definitely you have to apply after each and every 3 to 4 hours. And this doesn't contain any SPF, because I have not read anywhere. I don't think this contains any SPF. I have covered basically each and every point. I will also give you my reference link below in the description box. If you will use that referral link, you may get some discount. Also the buying link of each and every, all these 4 lip balms will also be given in the description box. So don't forget to check that as well. And if you are watching till here, that means you are liking my content. If yes, then please don't go without liking the video. Share this video, because this is totally new launch product. And I am just telling you to subscribe my channel, because you can see lot of new launches reviews on my channel. I have already reviewed Stay Quirky blush. I have actually compared it with Blue Heaven blush. So that video is already up. I have already reviewed Blue Heaven eyebrow styler, brow styler or whatever. I have already reviewed that also. I have reviewed Plum Body Mist. All these are basically new launch products, and that is what I am telling you. On my channel you can definitely find lot of new launches. And plus, if you have any other video request also, that also you can specify in the description, in the comment section. I will be reading that comment section. I will be trying to make the video for you as soon as possible. Alright, that is all for today's video. Still, if you have anything to ask or anything to comment, definitely don't forget to comment. Like this video, share this video with your friends and family. That is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.